Snow and ice can make your paths very dangerous. Conventionally, rock salt is used to keep pathways clear, but it is bulky to store and time-consuming to spread and clear up once the weather has passed. A major issue for homeowners is using rock salt can cause damage to polished flooring and carpets each year. Now there is a new solution that acts faster than rock salt and totally eliminates any damage, saving you the cost of repair or replacement. Never Twice is a new, powerful ice remover that is simple and fast to apply. It works on a similar principle to the methods used in the aviation industry for de-icing planes and runways. One application of Never Twice can prevent ice from bonding to virtually any surface for up to 48 hours. It can melt 10 millimeters of ice and snow in seconds. It is also completely non-corrosive to metals and reinforced concrete and non-toxic to humans, animals and vegetation. Get your Never Twice snow and ice management solution today and stop unnecessary rock salt damage.